Hey YouTube, so today on FSJ Overlanding we are going to be cleaning, but not just cleaning anything, we're going to be cleaning underneath the Jeep. So stay tuned, check out what we're working on, and if you like what you see, comment, subscribe, bell, notification, whatever you need to do to make the internet come back for more, make sure it happens. Stay tuned. So before I show you what we're working on, here's kind of what you're going to want to need if you want to be doing this similar stuff. An engine degreaser. I just bought store brand, but anything engine degreaser. I have a drill with a wire wheel to really get after it. Shop towels, just get the blue kind, the cheapest is fine. And I like to use a paint scraper as well. But if you also want to include gloves, that's probably a good idea. I didn't, but I guess I'm going to clean up after this. So here's what we're eventually going to get to, is we're going to be replacing the diff cover. And I noticed it was just really gross under here, so I started cleaning. So here's what we're looking at. There's your oil pan. You can see you've got a little bit of oil leak. So just remember, if your Jeep is not leaking, it probably means you're out of fluids. So we've already started cleaning steering components so that we can at least get to see what we're working with. So we're going to clean a little bit more and show you how that looks. All right, so here, after some more scrubbing and cleaning, we have a pretty clean diff cover. So about 4 years of muck and mud and oil and everything else. So now we're probably ready to, if we wanted to, we're service that diff. I don't have the parts in today, so we'll do that on a future video, but nice. Then over here, I'm going to keep working and keep scrubbing. So what all of this is when you don't clean and scrub, it takes a lot longer. So now here we are after even more scrubbing and cleaning and scrubbing. Much better. No, have I cleaned everything out of here? No, of course not. I'd be out here for days. Should I have? Yeah, maybe, but it's a start. And most importantly, we have the whole diff cover area cleaned up so that when our parts come in, we can change the diff fluid and clean it out. All right. Yep. Looking pretty good.